My name is Iris Nieva Calugay from Bsed Science 2A. Today we will learn about one of the interesting topic in biochemistry, really important, which is about the human cell and its structure. Cells are the tiny building blocks of our body. They work together to keep us alive, helping us grow, repair damage when there is injury, and perform everyday activities like breathing, eating, and moving. Without cells, life would not exist. There are two main types of cells. First, the prokaryotic cell. This type of cell do not have nucleus. On the other hand, the eukaryotic cell have nucleus and specialized organelles. Here is the given example of the cells. And today we are going to explore the human cell, which is classified as eukaryotic cell. Let us continue to explore about cell, including the specialized organelles and its function. First, we have the cell membrane, known as the gatekeeper. It acts like a security guard, controlling what enters and leaves the cell to keep it safe and functioning properly. Next is the nucleus, known as the brain of the cell. Inside the cell, there is a nucleus which works like the brain. It contains the DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, the instruction that tell the cell what to do, when to grow, and divide. Ribosomes, the protein makers. Ribosomes are tiny workers inside the cell that build proteins. And these proteins are essential for growth, repair, and carrying out important functions in the body. Next is the endoplasmic reticulum, the cell's factory. The endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, helps make proteins and fat. There are two types of ER. The raw ER has ribosomes for protein making, and smooth ER makes fats and remove the toxins inside the cells. The mitochondria, known as the powerhouse. Cells need energy to work, and that's where the mitochondria work. They turn food into energy, keeping the cell, the entire body, active and strong. Golgi apparatus, the packaging center. After proteins are made, the Golgi apparatus act like a post office. It package and send proteins where they need to go. Lysosomes, the cleanup crew. Cells create waste and lysosomes act like garbage trucks, breaking down and removing unwanted materials to keep the cell clean. The cell wall, nature's shield. The cell wall is a rigid outer layer in plants, fungi, and bacteria, providing support, protection, and water balance. It strengthens cell and maintains shape. Unlike the cell membrane, it offers extra defense. Cytoplasm can be defined as the cell's workspace. Everything inside the cell, except the nucleus, is surrounded by cytoplasm. This is a jelly-like substance that holds the cell's parts and help with important chemical reactions in order for the cell to function. And that's the human cell. Every cell in our body plays a vital role in keeping us alive. They help us to grow, heal when we injured, and perform every function we need to survive an everyday life. Cells may be small, but they are powerful. That's why studying them is very important. Thanks for watching and see you next time.